Whether buying or selling an apartment, it's important to have a good real estate attorney on hand for the process. Well, how do you choose a good real estate attorney if you don't have one? There's several recommendations I have. One is to ask friends who've had successful purchases and find out who they used. The other is to ask your real estate agent who knows of an attorney who is skilled in residential real estate transactions. Once you get these names, give them a call and find out a few things that might help you get a sense of how they are and how they will be on your behalf. One is, do they handle only residential real estate transactions, or they do that as part of their practice? And if it's part of their practice, how many have they handled? What is their fee structure? Some charge hourly, and it can get very costly if it's hourly, and some charge per transaction. Make sure you learn if there is a broken deal, if you have a different kind of fee structure for that as well. How quickly can they work for you? It's important in many transactions that a contract goes out right away. Are they ready, able, and willing to do it within a day? You need to know that answer if you're selling. And if you're purchasing, are they able to do all the due diligence that they need on the building and negotiate the contract within a few days? Sometimes that's necessary if the apartment's very desirable, because you may be required to get into contract right away. So having an attorney who can achieve that is very important. Ask them if it's okay if there's an urgency that you can call on the evenings and weekends. Some very active real estate attorneys do give out their cell phones for these urgent issues that may arise. And in an active market, it's not unusual that they might. Also find out if they're skilled in knowing all the procedures that are required going from the beginning to the end, and if they're familiar with co-op boards and the whole co-op board process, because you never know when you might need their help if there's an issue. And at the end of the day, once you've interviewed everyone, see who you've gotten along with best as well. Check their answers and then just make a decision.